So this is the Kirkstall Road site that's adjacent to the River Aire. It's a new build residential and commercial project. We're currently on site undertaking some enabling works and groundworks for the installation of some temporary accommodation pods, with the view to then continue with the main enabling works package on the wider site. The site is 45,000 square metres in area, with about 8,000 square metres already with structures on it. These are buildings comprising warehouse units, office units, some large basement areas. In addition, we've got an existing steel bridge which crosses the River Aire onto a very small portion of the site on the other side of the river. The remainder of the site is currently undeveloped land. The site has a rich legacy of both industrial and commercial land uses. The area behind me was formerly a chemical works and a bus depot, whilst the existing buildings on site have most recently been used as film studios, although they do have a number of historic industrial uses. As a result, there's quite a large legacy of asbestos still present within the buildings, which will require removal prior to demolition. The building's construction in itself poses its own challenges. There is quite a large reinforced basement at the rear of the buildings, which will require removal during the demolition and remediation phase without destabilising any of the surrounding ground. The enabling works package comprises asbestos removal and demolition of the buildings, site-wide remediation and earthworks, removal of the existing river bridge, installation of a new sheet-piled wall along the River Aire, installation of the piling mats up to formation, and construction and installation of the new haul roads and drainage. In addition, we'll be working alongside the client-appointed utility installers to carry out the utility trenching works. Rhodar will be undertaking these works as principal contractor. In this role, we'll be responsible for the site security, health and safety, and ensuring all the regulatory guidances and requirements are met during the works. This schedule of works differs slightly from your typical enabling works package in that it includes the final drainage construction of both foul and surface water drainage, as well as the haul road construction, and these haul roads form part of the final road makeup. In addition, we're installing the sheet-piled wall along the entire length of the boundary with the River Aire. The main enabling works package is due to commence on completion of the temporary pod accommodation works. This package of works has a 37-week programme, including 16 weeks worth of sheet piling to form the new river wall. On completion of the enabling works package, we'll be handing the client back a fully remediated site with the haul roads installed, piling mats up to level, and the drainage installed across the site. In addition, there'll be the new river wall constructed, the temporary accommodation pods will be occupied, and the site will be secured using new temporary hoarding, including biometric turnstiles and double leaf gates.